Good morning, guys. I hope you're having a good week. Um, Today, I'm going to explain what you're going to be doing to continue working on your formative assessment. So this is our work for Thursday, which means we still have Friday and next Tuesday to complete our formative assessment. So today, you need to finish all of the research um, that you needed to do about your empire and show that to me. Show me that you've finished. So this means by the end of the day, you have to answer the following questions, which was explained in the formative assessment on ManageBack and what I explained on Tuesday. So all these questions here you have to have finished by today. And so that means you need to answer these questions. How big was the empire? When did it exist? Which continents was it on? Which continent was it on? And what modern countries did it cover? You'll find examples or explanations to each of the following or each of the 9 characteristics of empires for the empire that you chose. That means you need to show how that empire did military conquest, maybe find an example of it, where their central government was, how they imposed their culture, maybe give an example, just one way that they did that, an example of their tax system, one thing that they did, or that taxes did, or how they collected taxes. Tell me the common language. What did they call their absolute monarch? Maybe give an example of a really famous one. Established currency, so tell what kind of money they used. Maybe give 2 examples of how the money changed over time, like when we learned with the Ottomans. In the beginning, they used one type, and towards the end, they were using another. And then with transportation and communication networks, find how they moved things, people, and ideas around their empire, and give an example of that. And then you'll also be submitting the links that you use to gather information. You'll do that all by completing this worksheet here. And in this worksheet, you're just going to upload evidence of your research. So this can be a photo of your notebook, or it can be that you've just typed everything out here, okay? So that can be whatever you'd like. But you just need to show me how you've finished and answered all of these questions and found examples of all of these things. So again, you can upload a photo of a notebook page, or you can into this space, and you can do that by clicking Insert Image, right? Upload from computer, and then you can take the photo that you've taken. So you can upload a photo into the document, or you can just type everything out. You'll also need to put, this is very important, the links to the websites or sources that I used. So on tomorrow, on Friday, you're going to be working on creating your MLA citations, right? So you need to be sure that you have all the links to the sources that you use. So make sure you have all of those here so that you can easily complete that on Friday tomorrow, so that you don't have to go hunting down for all the sources that you found. So today, all you're doing is submitting evidence of your finished research, which is for our formative assessment, which will be due next Tuesday. You'll submit that through this tab on Google Classroom. If you have, and today there will be a question and answer session as well that you can join in. I look forward to, and you can find that link here in this on this page. I look forward to talking to you, answering any questions you might have, and seeing what you found in your research. Have a good day, guys. Bye.